Hi, I'm Graham Lutz. Thanks for taking a quick minute to watch this video. I just wanted to give a quick overview of the website from a search engine optimization standpoint and talk about some of your competition in the area, who's ranking on Google, and talk about how to beat your competition in that area. So, number one, love the look of the site, love the number of pages, love the kind of linking between internal pages. All those things are pretty good from Google's perspective. But what we are looking to do is let's search Nashville commercial cleaning. All right, these three right here in the top of the map pack. Of course, there's way more if we click on more businesses. But these three right here, these are the ones that are going to be getting the vast majority of the phone calls, the vast majorities of the leads from people who are searching for commercial cleaning on Google in Nashville. So the question becomes, how do we get here, right? Now, if we look at where these map listings, where the associated website shows up, they're all on the front page. Okay, so Impact, Inago, and Harpeth. Here's Impact number 3. Harpath number 4, Inago down here, number 8, right? So all of these are on the front page of Google, and that is one of the biggest ways that you can get yourself in this map pack on the top, right? So the next question is, how do we get our website on the first page of Google? All right, Google has hundreds of data points that they look at, okay? But there's, I would say, 4 things that are the big ones. The technical SEO, that is kind of how all the technical stuff for how your website's put together. We're not going to talk much about that. The other is the content on your site. Generally, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content. You are not quite there. That's something you could do. Just throw some more content up there. This just gives Google that many more opportunities to find words and sentences that match up and that they can show to people who are searching on Google. And then the biggest thing is going to be backlinks, or places that are linking to your website from elsewhere around the web. You can think of this like a vote in a big popularity contest that is Google search results. Okay. Now, if we look at some of your competition here, Impact Commercial Cleaning Services, for instance. Nothing super special about their website. It's actually pretty similar to yours, similar amount of content. The only real big difference is that they have some more links, right? So if we look, this is my toolbar that I've got here that gives me a bunch of information about what Google is seeing. All right, and so we're looking right here. They've got 12 backlinks coming to this page here, and about 141 backlinks coming to the other pages on their site. If we look at yours, we are pretty low on the backlink level, right? And so going to look at the other competition, Inago here, again, same thing, 33 and 165, and Harpeth, 12 and 26. Right, so they've got some links coming in, but it's nothing that we can't beat. Okay, so we can get links built from high quality sources. That's another one of the things that Google cares about, right? We don't want to just go, get on something like Fiverr and get some, Indonesian links to non-English speaking websites. Like, that's going to look spammy to Google, and we don't want to do that, right? But if we can get some high quality links coming into your website, we can get your web page on the first page of the search results and get a map listing right up here. And that's what's going to get your phone to start ringing and potential customers calling. So we're coming up on 5 minutes. I don't want to take any more of your time, but would love to chat. If you want to get on the phone, would love to answer any questions. I've got plenty more quick tips that I can give you of stuff that you can do on your own to help those search rankings and get your phone ringing. And there's plenty of services that we offer that would help as well. Obviously, I don't want to offer anything that's not going to help for your business. But if you'd like to chat, I would love to chat with you and answer any questions you got. Thanks.